Okay, hey guys, it's me. I'm going to be showing you my dog. Ready? Hey! Come here, come here! Toad! Come here! There he is. Come on. Okay, his name is Tojo. He's a black pug. He's very energetic. Right now he's sopping wet because it rained. And he was outside. Anyway, let's go. Okay, first he's pretty enthusiastic, as you can see. Ready? Watch this. Tojo, Tojo. You might notice his name is Tojo. Tojo, after the Japanese warlord in World War II, commander of the Navy. Anyway, watch this. Ready? Treat. Treat. You want a treat? Where are the treats? Where are the treats? Are the treats in there? Oh, they are. Okay, ready? Here are a few of his tricks. Ready? Sit. Down. No, down. Up. Speak. Ready? Shake. Here's one more. Close. Stay. Good boy. As you can see, he's really willing to eat them as a favor to me. He's just chomping away there. He'll look at me like I'm going to give him more. Searching the ground for any more. Nope, there's no more, Tojo. Tojo, there's no more. Tojo, wave to the camera. Wave to the camera. Bye.